What's up, guys? Welcome to another video with
Bros. And today we're going to show you 2 lights that you'll get used for the holidays or for any other occasion.
First, we're going to start with the string solar lights from Amazon.
These solar lights are great. They sure light up the whole place. And the good thing is you don't need any electricity because the solar panels are charging all day. They are very convenient and are easy to carry around. And if you guys like them, make sure to check out the link in the description to check them out.
These lights are one color. You could use them for your RV or tent camping and in your patio.
It will look great in any of these. Now let's check out the Smart Color string lights. These are very classy looking lights. And this is one of the option settings that the lights have. And the benefit of using different settings is that you can use it for different occasions.
Like this one for the 4th of July. You cannot get any more American than that. You could use these lights in the RV like we are, and home, and in the patio.
This setting you could use for a party or for Halloween.
That's right, bro. These lights are cool. It has a lot of great settings, and the best part about it is that you can control it with your phone using your Bluetooth option. You can use Google and Alexa. You could also set timers for the lights to go on and off. You can also check out the link for these lights in the description. Let us know in the comments which lights you like best and why. If you will choose the solar string lights or the plug color string lights. They're both cool, but it all depends on your needs. Hey, and press the subscribe button for more videos. Just hit the image with the Dos Bros picture.
Dos Bros, we out.
Bye bye, bros. See you next video.